Spice has officially launched her third studio album, Mirror 25, at J. Ray and Nephew Limited Corporate offices in New Kingston. The Queen of the Dance Hall is hailed for her incredible contribution to the genre. Beanie Man, who surprised Spice on stage, planted several kisses on her cheek before he began his congratulatory speech. The veteran artist is currently working on a new album. Boy, I tell you what, Spice is staying busy and doing the thing, and congratulations to her. Everybody, I would say the only thing that was missing was a collab maybe with Cartel, just knowing their history and coming in.
Gotcha.
But however, he is on the album on the intro.
Is he?
She has several artists who are sending congratulations and big ups to her on the intro. The intro is like a 3-minute intro.
Wow.
So you hear from Baby Sham,
Yeah.
Bunty, Sean Paul, Shaggy, several people. Nicki Minaj gives a shout out on the intro as well. So y'all go check that out, and I want you to tell us, all right? Go on to the comments on the YouTube stream, on our Facebook, and let us know what you think about this brand new Spice album, Mirror 25.
Yeah, man, we love Gracie, man. We love Gracie. Big up Spice. Anywhere you're there in that world, or if you're in Atlanta.
Atlanta is the world.
Yeah,
There you go.
to the world.